Hello students, today I will teach you vowel I. As we had covered vowel A and E sound words, so today we will learn about vowel I. The sound of I is I. The sound of I is I. Two-letter words of vowel I. I, G, ig. IG, ig. The sound of I is E and the sound of G is G. E, G, ig. I, G, ig. The sound of I is E and the sound of D is D. I, D, it. I, D, it. I, N. I, N, in. Very good. I, N, in. The sound of I is E and the sound of N is N. I, N, in. I, T, it. I, T, it. The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E and the sound of T is T. I, T, it. I, P, ip. I, P, ip. The sound of I is E and the sound of P is P. I, P, ip. I, G, ig. I, D, id. I, N, in. I, T, it. I, P, ip. Okay, today I'll explain IG sound words and IN sound words. Okay, so listen carefully. I, G, ig. The sound of IG is ig. Look here. Which picture is this? Yes, it's a pig. The sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. IG, ig. P, ig, pig. P-I-G, pig. Look here. Yes, which picture is this? It's a dig. Dig. D. The sound of D is D and the sound of IG is ig. D, ig, dig. D-I-G, dig. D, ig, dig. D-I-G, dig. Yes. Come to the next picture. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Fig. Yes. F. When the sound comes like F, what we have to write? F. F, I, G. Fig. F, F, I, G, ig. F, I, G, fig. The sound of F is F and the sound of IG is ig. F, I, G, fig. Yes, look here. What is the sound of IN? Yes. IN, in. IN, in. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Yes, tin. The sound of T is T and the sound of IN is in. T, in, tin. T, in, tin. T, in, tin. Yes, look here. Which picture is this? Bin. Yes, which picture is this? Bin. B. When the sound comes like B, what we have to write? B. B, I-N, in. Blend it. B-I-N, bin. B-in, bin. Yes. Now look here. Which picture is this? Yes, pin. P-in, pin. The sound of P is P and the sound of I-N is in. P-in, pin. Tin. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-G, pig. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. Okay, bye-bye.